Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience using this tool. YouCanBook.me is a powerful scheduling tool that simplifies the process of booking appointments. It integrates seamlessly with your existing calendar, eliminating the back and forth emails and the frustrating game of calendar Tetris. Imagine effortlessly managing your availability, letting clients book time with you directly, and automating reminders to reduce no-shows. That's the promise of YouCanBook.me. The platform's intuitive interface makes setting up your booking page a breeze. You can customize it to match your brand, specifying the services you offer, their duration, and your available time slots. It also offers advanced features like custom booking forms, allowing you to gather specific information from clients beforehand. Think dietary restrictions for a nutritionist or desired haircut styles for a barber. YouCanBook.me excels at minimizing scheduling conflicts. By syncing with your calendar, it prevents double bookings and keeps your schedule organized. Plus, automated email and SMS reminders help clients remember their appointments, leading to fewer no-shows and a more efficient workflow. But it's not just about convenience for you. YouCanBook.me offers a smooth and professional booking experience for your clients as well. They can easily view your availability and select a time that works best for them, all without any complicated back and forth. This streamlined process enhances their overall experience and makes a positive impression. Beyond the basics, YouCanBook.me provides powerful integrations with other tools you might already be using, such as Zoom, Google Meet, and payment gateways. This expands its functionality and allows you to create a truly comprehensive scheduling solution. Whether you're a consultant, coach, or small business owner, YouCanBook.me is a valuable asset for streamlining your scheduling and freeing up more time to focus on what matters most. It's definitely worth checking out.